So for today's video, may bagong bukas dito guys. Malapit sa amin. Indian foods. Kaso wala silang banana fry. Meron lang silang tea. At saka egg. I forgot that name. Egg paratha. Sana masarap. First time try. Bellows Bites. Yan, hindi na kami mahirapan pumunta ng city. Eating na. Only little is done. It's nice the video. Or the video, the tea. Social 2 dirham, guys.
But it's nice.
And their chicken, what's that, Nakna? Egg chicken paratha.
It's nice.
Too much nice. I will try this one after. Malapit na ang namin. Foods na pang ekonomiya.